Okay, we're here at the lab. I just finished cleaning up a little bit, so I guess it's nicer. But yeah, this is our lab. We're literally right outside of a storefront, like on a storefront in Chicago on the north side, which is kind of fire. This is our little office area, a little lounge area. We have a bioreactor right here that we have to figure out how to get up and running to see, or we just have to figure out a project first, honestly, to see if a lab member is going to want something to do. This is our broken shaking incubator that we're probably going to end up selling for parts. This is the shaking incubator that we just got maybe a week ago. Thank you to Brittany with Aquacultured Foods for that. We really needed it. We have a bunch of glassware in here. We have our nice little autoclave, some water, another flammable cabinet that Brittany gave us. Thank you, Brittany. Some water, gloves, sink. This is one of the movable flow heads or laminar flow cabinet. The plate reader that Brittany gave us. Thank you, Brittany. We have a fridge full of a freezer. Full of. I'm pretty sure we have like plasmids and stuff in here. That our Opentrons, another freezer there. We're gonna probably end up using. We have to figure out where we're gonna put it. A really nice incubator that Brittany gave us. Thank you, Brittany. And then we have like some kombucha growing for a potential workshop that Andy's working on. Just a bunch of microscopes, and I think that's a homogenizer. I don't know what that is. Oh, an illuminator. Okay. But yeah, Opentrons, the liquid handling robot. We have one member doing a bunch of plant tissue culture stuff. So it looks like this is multiplying media for philodendron Chico red. So yeah, this was in I guess I did this one. Cool. Let's see. Centrifuges. I think that, this is thermocycler. We have so much equipment, some pipettes, PCR machine, another incubator, a bunch of DNA kits. This is a kombucha thing that I'll probably end up showing. My cousin is supposed to come in today to check the lab out. She's going to be an incoming undergrad, incoming freshman, and she's going to be doing neuroscience, so I'll probably show her that along with some other stuff. Let me actually put on some gloves to show you. And actually, let me plug this in real quick. Probably shouldn't be too rough. Oh, so SCOBY's gonna mess up. Sorry. So I just learned this technique from Andy a couple days ago. So I'm sorry if I do this wrong. It's methanol. Am I supposed to clean it first? Let's see, don't know. Fire, so it is blowing out. Okay, cool. That, and then I think actually Andy actually sprayed this too. This is some kombucha we're growing. This is the SCOBY right here. It's kind of crazy, honestly. It's like a big piece of skin or something like that, I don't know. So this is from a community of yeast and bacteria, I believe, that makes this. And just tea and... I think it's just tea, pretty much, honestly. Let me throw these out, actually. I don't know if this is biohazard, but I'm gonna assume it is, just in case. Oh man, that smells. It smells strong, honestly. But it's still fire. So here we have some cultures of mushroom. How am I gonna do this? Actually, I need to figure that out. They look fire. Oh shit, yeah, these are fire. But this one is a cinnabar polypore. Looks fire. Should I put this in here? Unless you don't know. This one is a... No, this one looks so nice. I can't read that. But it looks super nice and fluffy. I need to put on better gloves, honestly. This one is... Oh! Apopolis puto. Oh, this one's nice and fluffy, low key. But yeah, we have a bunch of fungi, however you say it, growing down here. Honestly, we need a better place to keep these. I'll continue with the lab tour, though. Yeah, this is just where we do anything with chemicals, a bunch of our materials, consumables. We have like agar and stuff like that, TA buffer, tris, electrophoresis equipment. I need to put this in recycling, or we might use that. A big shaker, 2 big thermocyclers, another centrifuge, another shaker, another centrifuge. We are growing some Vibrio Fisher, I think, here. These are some more plant tissue culture stuff. These are Vibrio Fisher, and then these two are cyanobacteria, I believe, that Andy's growing for a potential workshop for natural dyeing, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, and then we have another laminar flow cabinet. Biohazard. This is our big refrigerator centrifuge. Trying to figure out where we're going to put it. That's a big autoclave, some more plant tissue culture stuff, our -80, which I'll show you, but I'm not sure we have anything in there right now. Oh, well, actually, no, we do. We have some, what is it, like, I forgot, it's like plasmids or something like that. Yeah, we have some stuff in here, but I forgot what. I think it's like plasmids, though, if I'm not mistaken. And I think these are plasmids, too. Actually, if those are the I think those are the plasmids. And then we have, from what I remember, those are plasmids for pigments. And then we have the actual, oh, I don't know what the heck this is. But, these are the plasmids right here. I don't know if you can see, but they're different color. and but I think these were already put into the different uh, strains of bacteria. Like these are all different. Well, they're the same. I think they're just E. coli, but different plasmids were put into the different things to make them different colors. Hopefully, we'll do like a workshop for that. Honestly, that's about it. Hope you guys like the tour.